Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 TrailBlazer. The Chevrolet TrailBlazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the TrailBlazer. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, performance package, fog lights, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.